Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, I was drawing this horse here, and I was telling that it's all about how lighter you start, how looser you start, and then in the second phase, you need to really tighten the drawing and get as close to as what it appears on this photo here. And this is all the practice you need to understand. Now you see, in my first guessing was not that accurate. So in second guessing, I'm trying to be as close to that as possible. See how I'm drawing the outline of the horse here and defining it such a way that it kind of done nicely. Try to use the pointed brush only. That way you will have less frustration also, and you will get a better line quality also. If you have taken a very thick brush, then it will not give a very better line quality, and then you will still keep struggling with that. So whatever is material required for that, do with that. If you don't have the pointed brush, you know uh, then try to take any cheap brushes, cut a bit of the hair from that with a scissor, and then you can start draw also with that. There is no problem, but the only thing is that you need to always keep doing that. With a consistent practice only, you can be better at anything, and that's important. As the things appear close to you, the distance between the the chest shapes is more in the front, and then it becomes more less as it going away from you due to the perspective. Okay, so also keep in mind that. And all these lines is really straight and parallel to the lower lines. So try to draw this line really straight. If you don't see that one, as you can see here, that I'm trying to draw the whole thing, but only where it's needed, and try to draw a really straight line. That is very important. It's like when you can draw a perfect straight line and a perfect circle with your free hand, that much amount of practice you should do that way you can draw anything very nicely and clearly, as the painting follows by a sound drawing. If you have a very sound or powerful drawing, the painting looks really good. And that is what it happens. So as you can see here that I'm trying to finish the drawing here. After finishing the drawing, uh, you need to take a big brush, and use a bit of a paint, and then darken all the shapes with one general value of the paint. I am taking a paint a bit of with medium, and then I'm doing a dry brush drawing of the shapes, shadow shapes. That is the practice which you have to understand here. First you draw the outline with a pointed brush, or you start with a very lighter brush, very light drawing, then you make it more darker with a pointed brush, and then afterward you can just start making it more darker with the one tonal value. You need to really darken all these shapes, and it really trying to make it one flat value. All these squares, all these not the square, maybe the rectangles, you need to kind of really draw it nicely, and also make it one flat value. All the darks will be having a one flat value with the color of the paint, or we can say as the raw umber, one flat value. It's really important that you draw it in a very effective and nice manner. Also getting the shadow underneath the mouth and the neck, side plane of the neck. See, your painting will really good, become really nice when you understand this fundamental stuff, like of trying to convert the drawing in two shapes, the light shapes and the shadow shapes. That is what we required, because then you will see the different values for the lights, and then you also will see a different values for the darks also. and that is really important, you know. So I'm taking my time and drawing these things in such a way that I'm trying to fill these values, the light family and the shadow family. Trying to paint as simple as possible. Okay everyone, so I will see you in the next video. So bye everyone.